Hi guys, in today's video, we are going to talk about the 5 best outdoor ant killer. Trying to kill outdoor ants in your yard. Here are some products that can help. This is the right place for you. The presence of outdoor ants can ruin your lawn, bite you or your pets, and even damage your property. If left unchecked, they can cause all of these problems. With so many options available for ant killers, it can be difficult to choose the right one. Now that you have seen the different kinds of outdoor ants and the problems that they can cause, here are 5 of the best outdoor ant killers you can try to keep your lawn ant-free. If you want more information, check links mentioned in the description below. Okay, let's get into the video. For a permanent solution that solves the problem at its source, our top overall pick is Amdro Ant Block. These pellets act as an attraction for ants because they smell like food. The ants in turn bring the pills back to their colony for the queen to remove them. Shake Amdro around the perimeter of your home to create a barrier that protects the bait. An entire container can cover nearly 1,100 linear feet, enough to handle a medium-sized home 5 times. One treatment also lasts up to 3 months, killing carpenter ants, fire ants, and more than 20 other species of ants. When using Amdro around pets, be aware that it is not safe. While its use is limited to pet-free habitats, it's still our best overall pick because of its long-lasting effects and colony-killing ability. At number 2, Max Double Control Ant Baits. These raid ant baits use 2 types of bait to kill the ants. Ants feed on the bait, then return to their colony and spread the bait to other ants, resulting in the death of the entire colony. First, the ants that eat the bait directly kill each one. Bait consisting of peanut butter, partially hydrogenated vegetable oil, peanut oil, and powdered sugar acts as a food source to attractants to take the bait destroy the ant colony. The active ingredient that kills ants is a vermectin B1, a known developmental toxin, but because it is contained in the bait, it poses little dangerous to humans or pets. The bait should be placed on horizontal surfaces, touching corners and walls. Depending on the brand, you can expect ant relief within a few days, and the baits will work for up to 3 months, after which they will need to be replaced. This is perfect for household use, closets, basements, attics, living areas, kitchens, bathrooms, pantries, dining rooms, and recreation rooms. At number 3, Combat Indoor and Outdoor Ant Killing Gel. We love that this ant killer gel is so easy to use because it comes in a ready-to-use syringe, and the gel can be easily squeezed into hard-to-reach areas such as stains, cracks, and crevices. The gel acts as an attraction, and like the other baits Wang recommends, it also kills the entire colony because the ants will carry the gel bait back to the colony for the ants to die at the source. The brand claims it has a higher water content to encourage quicker feeding, so it starts working within hours. It contains the insecticide fipronil, so be sure to use it only according to the manufacturer's instructions. One satisfied Amazon reviewer said, "This ant killer works fast. Within 12 hours, there were tons of dead ants. For best results, squeeze a few drops of gel around cracks where you see ants or where you have seen ants." At number 4, TERRO T300B Liquid Ant Killer. Its liquid contains borax, a chemical also known as sodium borate, and according to Wang, it could be used to kill most urban ants. It kills the ants that eat it, but also gives enough time for the ants to bring it back to the colony to kill it. However, he says that for large colony ants, such as carpenter ants, incense ants, and fire ants, you will need to use a boric acid-based and specially formulated ant killer to kill these ants. The liquid is already poured and ready to use, so all you have to do is break off the tip and place the liquid where you can see the ants. TERRO says the patented design keeps the liquid from drying out so they attract ants longer. This ant killer has nearly 50,000 5-star reviews with reviewers saying they do a great job of attracting and killing ants. At number 5, Ecoraider Ant Killer. This ant spray has a lemongrass scent, and its active ingredients include essential oils like lemongrass, geraniol, and cedar oil. The brand claims it kills common house ants, as well as smelly house ants and fire ants. When sprayed on ants, Wang said it kills the ants and also repels ants due to the ingredients in the spray. However, like most contact antacids, this only kills ants that are sprayed directly, so Wang recommends using an attraction anticipate to get rid of them. Remove the entire ant colony. According to the brand, the spray is toxin-free and dermatologically safe for children, pets, birds, and fish, but should be used with caution when used with children or pets. Be aware that some people say that the smell of the spray is quite strong, but it dissipates quickly. Hope you liked this video. If you liked the video, then give us a thumbs up and subscribe to us, and click the bell icon to get notification and to watch further more videos. Did we leave off any ant killer? Let us know in the comments. See you guys in the next video.